Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur face using Filmora 13. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Filmora, and for example, I'm going to blur this girl's face. If we want to blur face, we can use motion tracking feature in Filmora. You can click on your video and you're going to go to the AI tools menu right here, and you have to activate the motion tracking feature. Okay, and we can place the square to the object we want to blur, and since we want to blur face, I'm going to put it on the face like this. Okay, then you can click on this icon to start motion tracking, and we have to wait until the process completed. You have to wait until 100%. Okay, and we're going to link element. You can click on this option and you have to select add a mosaic, and you can choose the type of the blur effect you want to apply. I'm going to apply this one, and now the blur effect has been added to my video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blur face using Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.